Hello, everyone, and welcome to our quick dive into some of the quirkiest rules in the NBA. Did you know there's a limit to hanging on the rim? Sure, you can do it, if it's to avoid crushing someone underneath. But if you're just hanging around for swag points, that's a technical foul. Keep those jerseys tucked in, players. Walking onto the court with a loose jersey might seem harmless, but the refs won't hesitate to halt the game. Get caught twice, and you're looking at a technical foul. Now, how about calling a timeout? If you're careening out of bounds but still have the ball in hand, a mid-air timeout is totally legal. Assistant coaches, take a seat, please. Only the head coach can stand and shout instructions. Stand up uninvited, and it's warning time for the whole bench. And let's not forget flopping. Faking a hit isn't just sneaky, it can get you fined after the game's over. So remember, whether it's a no jewelry rule, the unique shot clock reset, or ensuring every substitute checks in properly, NBA rules are full of surprises. Who knew basketball could be this strict and fun? Welcome to today's Hockey Primer. Let's dive into some intriguing rules of the game that might surprise even seasoned fans. First up, did you know you can play the puck with your hand? Well, only a bit. In the defensive zone, players are allowed to bat the puck with their hands. But remember, if you happen to pat it into the opponent's net, no goal for you. And hand passes in the offensive zone? That's a whistle, no matter how cool it looks. Now, let's talk about the puck and the referee. If the puck happens to bounce off a referee and finds its way into the net, it counts as a goal, as long as the ref wasn't trying to slap shot it themselves. Be careful about where a puck ends up. If it gets stuck in a goalie's pants, crossing the line doesn't mean a goal. It's got to be visible. Also, throwing your stick, it's a big no-no, especially in your own zone, as it can lead to a penalty shot. Finally, remember, if your stick breaks, no playing the puck with it. Drop it immediately or face a penalty. Stay informed and enjoy the game. Welcome to the fascinating world of Major League Baseball, where the rules can sometimes be as entertaining as the game itself. Let's dive into some of the weirdest yet true rules on the field. Firstly, a player can't use their cap to catch the ball. It's an automatic 3-base award for the batter. Imagine the chaos that could ensue otherwise. And, have you ever thought about running the bases backwards to confuse the defense? Well, think again. That's unsportsmanlike conduct, leading directly to an out. Pitchers, time to speed up your game. With the new 15-second pitch clock in play, if you don't pitch or step off the mound in time, it'll be an automatic ball. If you're a switch pitcher, declare your hand before the at-bat. This isn't a chess match where you can change tactics mid-game. Also, don't try to fake a throw to first base without stepping off the rubber. It's a balk. And yes, the ball can get stuck in the umpire's gear, causing play to stop. Baseball certainly keeps players on their toes with these quirky rules. Remember, every play counts, so play smart and stay sharp out there. Welcome, and prepare to be awed by some of the strangest rules the NFL has to offer. The infamous no-fun league, where using the ball as a prop in your celebrations is a big no-no. Whether you're mimicking a golfer or pretending you've got a new baby, it'll cost you 15 yards for unsportsmanlike conduct. Jumping the line, not so fast. If you try to leap over the offensive line during a field goal attempt, that's unnecessary roughness. Sorry, hurdle enthusiasts, that's another 15-yard penalty. Ever heard of a Skycam wire do-over? If your punt hits that cable, it's a complete replay. It's like it never even happened. Let's talk footwear, specifically shoes as weapons. If a player's shoe flies off and another player uses it as a prop, that's unsportsmanlike conduct. Quarterbacks beware, no more theatric fake slides. Once you start a slide, it's game over, and the play is considered dead. Thank Kenny Pickett for that one. And yes, the drop kick is alive and well, like you just time-traveled back to 1923. But that's not all. Incredibly, there's a way to score a single point. Meet the one-point safety. It's rare, but it exists. Be careful with your dance moves, though. Celebrating too close to the opposing sideline could wind up as a taunting penalty. Only 4 players can head out for the coin toss, or you risk a delay of game penalty. Don't turn it into a team huddle. Lastly, you might think you're helping if you pull a teammate forward during a run, but this is illegal. Stick to pushing from behind. And there you have it, some of the weirdest NFL rules. Who knew football had so many stipulations? Game on, I say, adhering to these unusual guidelines. Well, that's all from the crazy true rules of pro sports. If you know of any other sports, maybe badminton, please leave a comment down below. Again, thanks for watching.